Are you ready for Learning Science Cambridge? Here we go! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello girls and boys. In this session, you will learn Science Cambridge about investigating plant growth. And today, we will learn about seeds and how seeds grow. Okay, we will learn seeds first. Students, do you like eating fruits? For example, apple, orange, or grape? While you are eating the fruits, have you ever swallowed a seed? If yes, it must be small seed, right? Nah, actually, seeds and fruits can be different sizes and shapes. It shows how grateful Allah is because Allah can create so many kind of fruits and then different sizes and shapes of seed and fruits also, right? That human cannot do it. Nah, while you are eating the fruits, you must be find a seed inside the fruits. Nah, actually, seeds can be different sizes and shapes. There are fruits that have small seeds and fruits that have large seed. Okay, let's discuss. Can you give me example what fruits that have small seeds? Watermelon, and then apple, orange, and any other. And then what fruits that have large seeds? Avocado, durian, mango. Good. Now, if you compare between avocado seed and apple seed, it must be different. The avocado seed is larger than apple seed. Next, students, are you wondering what's inside a seed? Okay, let's discuss. I want to give you a question. Are seeds alive? Yes, they are. The seeds might look dead, but actually they are not. Yeah. Because seeds can grow up into a new plant. Now, how it can be? Because there is a tiny plant inside a seed. I say a tiny plant. Tiny means very small. So there is a tiny plant inside a seed that can make the seed grow up into a new plant. Nah, this tiny plant inside a seed is called an embryo. Let's say it together, an embryo. Okay, students, now look at the picture here. Now, in this picture is a picture of a seed. Can you find the embryo? Yeah, the embryo is the green one, yeah? Now, do you still remember what is embryo? Embryo is a tiny plant inside a seed. Okay. Now, can you find the food store? Now, the food store here has function to give energy for the seeds growing up. Yeah. And then the last one is seed coat. Now, the seed coat here wraps the seed. Yeah. The seed coat has function to protect the embryo from injury and drying out. Okay, now let's discuss about how seeds grow. Nah, actually there are two factors. The first, when the seed is given right condition, yeah, for example, you put them into good soil and then you give them water, you give them fertilizer, and then the second factor is when the embryo is still alive, yeah, when the seed gets two factors here, they get right condition and the embryo is still alive, so the seed can grow up well. On the other hand, when the embryo is dead and the seeds do not get right condition, for example, you do not give them water, you do not give them fertilizer, so the seeds do not grow up well. Okay, when the seed starts to grow, we say it germinates. Yeah, the seed germinates. Nah, the process is called germination. Let's say it together, germination. So, what is germination? Germination is the process of seed starts to grow. Okay, students, now look at the picture here. This is the stage in germination of a bean seed. Okay, now look at the first stage, yeah? This is when you put a seed into the soil and you give them water, so the seed will absorb the water and swell. For example, like this. This is the seed, and then when they absorb the water and it swell, yeah, it will be like this. It swell. Nah, and then after that, the seed coat will split and the first root will grow. Yeah, the first root will grow. And then after the first root grow down into the soil, nah, the first shoot will grow up. Remember, when the first root starts to grow down into the soil and the first shoot will grow up. Nah, and then after the shoot grow up, after days, they will grow up above the ground. Nah, and then the first leaves will grow. And you can see, yeah, the side roots will grow up as well. Okay, students, I hope you enjoy the lesson today and you understand all of material that we have discussed together. Okay, that's all from Miss Riani. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.